Here is how I dress up for any event in 15 minutes. Firstly, I choose the outfit and jewelry, which is minimal. I self-constructed this peplum top a while back. After quickly doing the skincare, applying the primer and foundation, here I'm applying the eye glitter. Post which, using liquid eyeliner, I'll line my upper eyelid. Then I use mascara to highlight my eyelashes. I do not use extensions. Choosing the color of the lipstick I want to go for, I line my lips with the liner and then go for that particular lip shade. Lip and cheek tint for the blush. Pinning the dupatta. Okay, I cried a little while wearing the nose ring. Then I went ahead with these chanpalis and not the first one that I showed because I felt this was looking much better. And wore juttis and done. I'm ready.